Hello and welcome back to Mystery Infinity, where we dive into the most electrifying and perplexing mysteries the world has to offer. Today, we're going to explore a phenomenon that's as baffling as it is brilliant: ball lightning. This enigmatic spectacle has puzzled scientists and sparked the curiosity of thrill-seekers for centuries. Imagine a glowing orb of light, defying the rules of regular lightning, floating through the air like a ghostly apparition. We're not just talking about a flash in the pan here. We're delving into a mystery that combines eerie eyewitness accounts with mind-twisting scientific theories. From historical tales that send shivers down your spine to cutting-edge research that tries to make sense of the seemingly nonsensical, our journey today promises to be nothing short of electrifying. So buckle up, and get ready to be illuminated by the mysterious world of ball lightning. The lightning orb unveiled. Ball lightning. It's like nature's own version of a sci-fi special effect, but way more mysterious and definitely not made in Hollywood. This bizarre phenomenon appears as glowing orbs of light, floating eerily and defying the typical path of regular lightning. These aren't your average lightning bolts zipping down from the sky. They're more like wandering, luminous beach balls with a mind of their own. Eyewitnesses have described them as being the size of a grapefruit, sometimes larger, radiating an otherworldly glow, and moving in a way that seems to defy the laws of physics. These ghostly spheres have been reported to pass through walls, hover in the air, and even follow people around, which frankly sounds like a sci-fi stalker. Some accounts describe them exploding with a bang, while others say they silently vanish into thin air. It's like nature is putting on a magic show, and ball lightning is the star illusionist. The color of these orbs varies too, from fiery red to an electric blue, adding to their spectral allure. One of the earliest recorded sightings of ball lightning dates back to ancient Greece, and it has been baffling onlookers ever since. There's even a report from the 18th century of a ball lightning entering a church in England, zipping around, and causing quite the unholy commotion before vanishing. Imagine sitting in a Sunday service when suddenly a glowing orb decides to crash the party. And it's not just a thing of ancient lore. In more recent history, during World War II, pilots reported seeing these mystifying orbs of light, which they named Foo Fighters. These encounters weren't just a flash in the night. They left those who witnessed them both awestruck and perplexed. Ball lightning's resume of appearances throughout history is as long as it is mysterious, making it a phenomenon that's not just a natural wonder, but a historical enigma. Historical encounters and eerie tales. Diving into the past, ball lightning has been a source of both wonder and fear, starring in some truly hair-raising historical encounters. It's like Mother Nature decided to add a bit of drama to the usual weather forecast. Take, for instance, the Great Ball Lightning Caper of 1638. A large ball of lightning reportedly burst into a church in Widecombe in the Moor, England, causing chaos, destruction, and unfortunately, casualties. The event was so shocking it became local legend, a terrifying reminder of nature's unpredictable power. Fast forward to the 19th century, and ball lightning continued its eerie escapades. In 1868, a red ball of lightning, about the size of a basketball, decided to make a grand entrance into a family's home in England. It meandered around, as if taking a tour, before exploding, leaving a sulfuric stench in its wake. Imagine inviting friends over and instead, a ball of lightning shows up. Talk about an electrifying party crasher. Then there's the tale from the Russian village of Timashevsk in 1901, where a ball lightning reportedly followed a woman around her house. Yes, you heard that right, followed her. It's like having a pet made of plasma, except it's not cute and definitely not house-trained. This incident ended with the ball lightning shattering windows in its grand exit. Who knew ball lightning had such a flair for the dramatic? These historical accounts paint ball lightning not just as a natural phenomenon but as a character in folklore and legend, a spectral entity that danced through the pages of history, leaving a trail of awe, mystery, and sometimes, destruction. It's no wonder ball lightning became the stuff of legend, inspiring stories and myths, and continuing to captivate our imagination through the ages. The science behind the sphere. Alright, let's put on our lab coats and dive into the scientific enigma that is ball lightning. For years, scientists have been scratching their heads, trying to explain this puzzling phenomenon. It's like nature threw them a curveball, and they've been trying to catch it ever since. There are a few theories out there, each trying to make sense of these mysterious glowing orbs. One popular theory suggests that ball lightning could be a form of plasma. Now, plasma is like the rebel of the matter family, consisting of charged particles that have said goodbye to their atomic structure. Imagine a soup of free electrons and ions, just hanging out, glowing, and sometimes floating through walls. This plasma ball could be formed by the intense electrical and magnetic fields generated during a thunderstorm, creating a glowing, floating spectacle. Another theory takes a more exotic approach, suggesting that ball lightning could be a kind of microwave radiation. This idea is like saying that your microwave oven escaped the kitchen, taking its light show on the road. When lightning strikes the ground, it could create a microwave radiation field, trapping energy in a way that forms a glowing ball. It's nature's way of saying, let's make things a bit more interesting. Then there's the vaporized silicon hypothesis. This one's like a sci-fi plot twist. When lightning strikes the Earth, it vaporizes the silicon in the soil. The vaporized silicon then reacts with oxygen and carbon, forming a floating ball of light, until the particles burn out. It's like nature's version of a DIY science project, but with a lot more flair. Each of these theories tries to put a scientific spin on a phenomenon that seems like it's straight out of a fantasy novel. The truth is, scientists are still debating and researching, playing detective in a natural world full of mysteries. Ball lightning remains one of nature's most tantalizing puzzles, a glowing question mark in the sky, challenging our understanding of the physical world. Modern sightings and research. In the modern era, ball lightning continues to be the superstar of unexplained phenomena, making guest appearances around the world and leaving both witnesses and scientists in awe. With the advent of smartphones, more of these fleeting performances have been caught on camera, offering us a tantalizing glimpse into this mysterious world. It's like nature's own version of a flash mob, spontaneous and unpredictable, but instead of dancers, you get a glowing orb of mystery. Recent sightings have added valuable pieces to the ball lightning puzzle. For instance, there was this incident where a ball of lightning decided to take a leisurely stroll through an airplane, casually passing down the aisle and providing an in-flight show you definitely can't get on the entertainment system. Then there was the time a ball of lightning graced a Russian classroom, giving the students a lesson in physics they won't find in textbooks. These first-hand accounts and recordings are like gold dust for researchers, providing crucial data in a field where every little observation counts. Modern research into ball lightning has been a mix of fieldwork, laboratory experiments, and a lot of head-scratching. Scientists have tried recreating ball lightning conditions in labs. It's a bit like trying to bake a cake, but the recipe is written in an alien language. They use high-powered lasers, microwaves, and electrical discharges to simulate the conditions of a thunderstorm, hoping to whip up a batch of synthetic ball lightning. It's like a high-stakes, high-voltage cooking show. Despite these efforts, ball lightning remains one of nature's most elusive phenomena. Every new sighting or experiment provides a puzzle piece, but the complete picture is still far from clear. It's as if ball lightning is playing a cosmic game of hide and seek with us, popping up unexpectedly and then vanishing before we can truly understand it. These modern encounters and research efforts, while shedding some light, continue to leave us marveling at this natural wonder, a reminder that there are mysteries out there that are yet to be fully unraveled. Unanswered questions and ongoing mysteries. As we journey through the enigmatic world of ball lightning, it becomes clear that this phenomenon is like nature's riddle, wrapped in a mystery, inside an enigma. Despite all the sightings, experiments, and theories, ball lightning continues to be one of the most puzzling natural phenomena, keeping its secrets tightly under wraps. Scientists have made strides, sure, but the heart of this mystery beats as strongly as ever, reminding us that not all of nature's secrets are easily unveiled. The biggest question that remains is, what exactly causes ball lightning? Is it a quirky atmospheric phenomenon, a strange electrical occurrence, or something else entirely? It's like trying to solve a puzzle with half the pieces missing and the other half constantly changing shape. The ongoing debates and research in the scientific community are testament to the complexity and intrigue that ball lightning presents. It's like a scientific detective story, where each clue leads to more questions rather than answers. Then there's the debate on how to even categorize ball lightning. Is it weather, is it physics, or is it something that doesn't fit neatly into our existing boxes of understanding? This phenomenon challenges the very boundaries of science, pushing us to think outside the conventional parameters. It's like nature threw a wildcard into the mix, just to keep things interesting. In the end, The mystery of ball lightning stands as a humbling reminder of the wonders and mysteries that lie just beyond our grasp. It encourages us to keep questioning, keep exploring, and appreciate the unknown. So, as we wrap up this electrifying journey, let's not just seek answers, but also revel in the mystery itself. After all, it's the unanswered questions and ongoing mysteries that keep the spirit of discovery alive. Who knows what revelations the future might hold about this spectacular enigma? And that's a wrap on our electrifying adventure into the world of ball lightning, a phenomenon that beautifully encapsulates the mystery and wonder of the natural world. If this journey sparked your curiosity and left you charged with excitement, don't keep it to yourself, share it with others and spread the wonder. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to Mystery Infinity for more fascinating explorations into the unknown. We'd love to hear your thoughts or personal experiences with ball lightning, so drop a comment below and join the conversation. Stay tuned for more content where we'll dive into more of the world's most baffling mysteries and unexplained phenomena. Keep your minds open and your eyes to the skies, because the quest for the unknown is endless, and we've got plenty more mysteries to explore together.